Easter will be the second straight Easter held during the coronavirus pandemic. And the CDC is now warning about a fourth surge in cases.
So we wanted to see what Washington County health officials are saying to slow the spread. Joining us now is Washington County Health Officer Dr. Christina Bauman. Good morning.
Good morning. Thanks for having me.
So what can people do this weekend to slow the spread? I know that when we had all of the holidays back to back to back last year, from starting at Halloween all the way through Christmas and New Year's, it was a nightmare.
Absolutely. So after every holiday, we have seen an uptick, and that's understandable. There's the urge for people to come together with others that they haven't seen for a while, friends, family, and we are really excited about the vaccine rollout. We probably know people that have gotten a vaccine. At least 1 in 4 Oregonians has received at least 1 dose. But we're in a really delicate stage right now. Not all of us are protected. So for this holiday weekend, we continue to ask people to keep it local, keep it small. If you're gathering with other households, if you can do it outside, that's probably the safest option.
Yeah.
And again, all of those other safety precautions, masks, distancing, hand washing, and minimizing your circles.
Yeah, just some light rain expected Sunday. So if people want to do those Easter egg hunts, probably outside still okay. Want to ask you about the vaccinations. There are so many different sites that are now offering them. How is that going?
Yeah, so it's good news that more sites are coming online, especially with pharmacies. They are getting much more vaccine from the federal government. And so for people who are eligible, who are looking for vaccinations, definitely check those pharmacy sites. And for other locations, Washington County has websites in English and Spanish with everywhere that's in the area where you can sign up and where you can get a vaccine. So please check those sites.
And I know that one of the biggest challenges has been vaccine infrastructure, not necessarily supply, but having all of the working parts and able to actually get those shots in arms. So with Monday being the next wave of people who are going to be getting their shots, are you feeling prepared for that?
There are a lot of options for people to get vaccinated, especially if you sign up on the getvaccinated.oregon.gov website. You can get alerts and find out about the options that you have in your area. The vaccine supply hasn't increased to the degree that we were hoping going into April, but we're definitely getting more vaccine to the area. I think that we still need to be patient, and hopefully in the next few weeks, there will be more vaccine.
Yeah, that Get Vaccinated tool you mentioned is very helpful. I was alerted as soon as I was eligible, so it's a really cool tool that everyone has. Have you seen any of these breakthrough cases that we've talked about where people have been vaccinated and then still gotten COVID in Washington County?
Yes, we have been hearing about those cases. It's not unexpected. The vaccine is very effective, but at 95%, 90% effectiveness, we still expect to see some cases. The vaccine can help prevent against more severe disease, so that is good news. It's a very good vaccine, and we really encourage people to get protection for themselves, and it also protects the people around them.
Yeah. All right. Dr. Christina Bauman, Washington County Health Officer, thanks so much for joining us.
Thank you.
And Governor Kate Brown has a news conference